5 minutes 40, alright?
Good.
Is that alright? Marcos, you got the front of the boat, mate. You got it? Yep. Yep. Tie it on. Captain Mike.
Captain's at the back of the ship.
Captain.
iPad right now.
Captain with the anchor.
That's the captain of the anchor of the ship.
Free boat.
Free boats all night. Free gas.
Free fun.
Wicked.
Till 6 a.m.
It's around
Good last
5 o'clock in the morning right now.
Rob swearing. Three Spanish Rob. Where the fuck are we?
Spanish Rob
Spanish
is,
Rob is having sex over to the side of the river somewhere.
he's doing something like that. That's definitely for
fine.
sure.
At least it's not Rick's
That's
bed.
fucking you going.
Yep, very true.
Oh, now we're going. Oh,
Where are we parking this thing, Captain Mike?
there's a seagull. It's fucking huge. Now we're going against the grain now, boys.
Alright.
Trouble. It's heavy waters now. These
Maybe
times. It's the rough waters. Set sail, mate. Ahoy.
It actually is a new storm. I'm not gonna lie for the
Some very nice scenery around our travels.
Right now.
I think it's land ahoy
Where all these
very soon. Oh! Oh, Marcos. Don't tip our canoe, mate. Free canoe.
Push back.
Free canoe.
Gotta get past
Free
the fucking
boat.
bridge.
Okay. They have this.
We're in trouble right now.
They have this thing. This wide open space boat. That you can practically is like as big as our house.
And Andrew, thank
And
you for
we have this. A canoe.
There are penguins there.
And there's penguins supposedly over here.
Mr. Seagulls, retard.
Penguins, seagulls. He's from Brazil. He doesn't really know.
And then you captain the ship.
And hey, you never know.
Then you got the real captain of the ship.
Ben,
Me.
Capitan.
I run this fucking show.
Yeah.
Captain Jack Sparrow. Here. We're in the clear. We're in open water now, eh? Get out of here. Let's get out of here.
Let's do it.
Give her!
Come on, give us some.
Give her some gears! See that engine? Fucking powerful. You don't mess around with that engine in Tiber River. No,
Hell
sir.
yeah.
Marcos, you okay?
Yeah. Just cannot go faster because like the water.
I think he's getting a bit seasick.
You gotta
No.
move to the right, Marcos. There you go. There you
There we go.
go. We're good on the open water now.
You all good, mate? All good.
As good as can be.
What a boat tour we're on here.
Good stuff. All right. That's part one of the boat tour. We'll get back to you very shortly. Say goodbye, guys.
See you later.
All right. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Waters.
Dangerous waters.
The rough waters,
Dangerous
mate.
waters.
Waters.